Hello everyone, myself Geetanjali.
Nehashri, Kanishka.
Joslan.
We, the students of Christ International School, are celebrating World Water Day.
Can you imagine a world without water? Water has disappeared. Lakes have dried up. Groundwater is over. There's no sign of rainfall. Seems like a bad dream, isn't it? No water to drink or wash your hands. You wake up and move to brush your teeth, and your basin tap has no water. You walk between your kitchen and bathroom, alternating from the sink and wash basin, and yet there's not a single drop. You can't make tea, you can't have bath, and you can't wash your clothes. Outside your house, there's no water for the industries and factories to function. Firefighters couldn't put out the fires, and farmers couldn't water their crops. There's a widespread chores, unrest, protest of. Such a situation is terrifying and unimaginable. A world without water is a grower's woe. A water is an elixir of life.
Today, we celebrate World Water Day, a day to celebrate the gift of water in our lives and most importantly, draw attention towards the importance of clean water for public health. World Water Day is observed on 22nd of March every year. It seeks focus and attention on the global water crisis. This International Day of Recognition has been held on this day since 1992 when it was first launched in the UN Conference of Environment and Development, and the first World Water Day was celebrated on 22nd of March 1993. The theme of World Water Day 2021 is Valuing Water. The value of water is not just about its price. Water has an enormous and complex value for a household, food, culture, economics, education and the integrity of our natural environment. This day gives us an opportunity to learn more about water-related issues, be inspired to tell others and take an action to make a difference. The purpose of this World Water Day is to remind us our responsibility in conserving water for ourselves and for our future generations.
Here are the most predominant memorandums of water. The power of water. Water connects every aspect of life. Access to safe water and sanitation can quickly turn problems into potential empowering people with time for school and work and contributing to improved health for women, children and families around the world. Without water, we would be nothing, just dust. Water is one of the most common substances in the earth and one of the most vital. It's a tremendously valuable resource, yet one we squander and pollute prodigiously.
So much water, so little usage. Water is deceptive, for while it flows freely from the heaven and seems to flow endlessly in rivers, it's a finite resource. We only have what we have. Although there is about 332,500,000 cubic miles of it on Earth, only 1% of the world water is readily available for the human use. We really should learn to give some respect to it, which is where World Water Day comes in. Even though water deserves celebration every day, we'll take this occasion to shout out to this incredible compound which gives us life and sustains planet around us. So with that in mind, consider the following facts. Some wonders, some wows, all eye-opening.
Water facts of life. Write the water cycle with these fun facts. Water is composed of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen is equal to H2O. Nearly 97% of world's water is salty or otherwise undrinkable. Another 2% is locked in ice caps and glaciers that leaves just 1% for all humanity's need. Water regulates Earth's temperature. It also regulates the temperature of the human body, carries nutrients and oxygen to the cell, protects organs and removes waste. Unsafe water kills 200 children every hour. A leaked tap that drips at the rate of 1 drip per second can waste more than 3,000 gallons per year. A person can live about a month without food, but only a week without water. Water is a part of deeply interconnected system. What we pour on ground ends up in our water, and what we spew into the sky ends up in water.
Water ores. 2.1 billion people live without safe water at home. More than 700 children under 5 years of age die every day from diarrhea linked to unsafe water and poor sanitation. Globally, 80% of the people who have to use unsafe and unprotected water sources live in rural areas. Around 1.9 billion people live in severe water scare area today. An estimated 64 to 71% of natural wetlands have been lost since 19th century as a result of human activities.
Saving water saves life. When the well is dry, we learn the worth of water. Benjamin Franklin. You can celebrate World Water Day by practicing ways to conserve water in your daily routines. Here are some easy and important steps to conserve water in your daily life.
Keeping the tap closed when not in use, and don't ignore any water leaks. Use the collected rainwater for different purposes as required. Advertisement. Do not run more water than necessary while doing daily chores. Do not prolong your bathing. Have a quick shower. Practice rainwater harvesting. Other events are held globally during World Water Day. Visual art and musical shows related to water. Educational and informative events on the importance of clean water and protecting water resources. Campaigns on rainwater harvesting methods. A trip to local rivers, lakes and reservoirs.
Take this one day out of your year to reflect for a moment on how important water is in your daily life. It's our responsibility to spread the awareness about the importance of water and the necessity of its conservation.
Happy World Water Day. Thank you all.